Hi everyone, I am Praveen S. from 2nd MBA SNS College of Technology. First of all, thank you for my all the stops for giving this wonderful opportunity to share my experience of BMC model for the company of Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited. First of all, I want to explain what is BMC, Business Model Canvas. The Business Model Canvas is a strategic management tool to quickly and easily define, communicate a business idea or concept. It is one-page document which walks through the fundamentals of a business or product, structuring an idea in a coherent way. Company name is Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited. The short introduction of the company is BHIL. The full form is Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited, has been registered as a non-banking financial company under the registration with the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. It is an India-based company. The company is acting as a primary investment company and focusing on a new business opportunity. Where did I choose? I chose this company in Crunchbase.com. The company name is Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited. Headquarters India. Founded on 1945. Total asset 7,336 crores. URL bajajgroup.company. Why I take this company? The Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited have smart city and internet things, industrial verticals like agri and food tech, healthcare, energy, aerospace and defense, automobile, fintech, smart city, innovation and technologies, augmented and virtual reality, Internet of Things, AI and ML data analysis, robotics and automation, additive manufacturing. I started the full explanation of Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited BMC. First of all, I take the key partners. The key partners are Plex Professionals PVT Limited, Roundel SS Wellbeing Private Limited, Contentify Technology Private Limited. And the key activities are the company is acting as a primary investment company and focusing on a new business opportunity. Bajaj Financial Limited, Bajaj International Private Limited. And the key resources are HR, the service staffs, IT professionals. The employee value proportions are breathe care. We come together to give our ambition to the power of our collective imagination. The customer relationships, customer service, customer support, easy to use app. The channels are websites, app, affiliate program. The customer segment, fashion enthusiasm, discount lovers. Cost structure, marketing technology, revenue streams, commission structure. And I explained the full explanation of customer relationships. For us, being accessible and accountable is the key to healthy relation with our customers. We have dedicated service team which can be reached on a particular phone number, or you could visit www.bajajfinancial.in. And our partners, we are happy to introduce our partners who we work with to offer loans, deposits, card, insurance to millions of customers area of the country. Particular partners are Plex Professional Private Limited, registered. We talk about value proposition of Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited. Its short form is BHIL, formerly known as Bajaj Auto Limited, is an India-based company. The company is acting as a primary investment company and focusing on new business opportunities. BHIL holds strategic stakes of 31.54% in Bajaj Auto Limited, balance 39.29% in Bajaj Financial Limited. Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited have the particular app. It can use for users to use user friendly. We talk about the key activities of Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited. It is also known as Bajaj Auto Limited. erstwhile known as Backroj Trading Corporation Private Limited, was incorporated in the year of 1945 for manufacturing scooter. Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited (BHIL) or the company came into existence post of demerger of erstwhile Bajaj Auto Limited into three entities: Bajaj Auto Limited, Bajaj Financial Limited, and the erstwhile Bajaj Auto Limited, renamed as a Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited with effect from 1 April 2007. The combined market capitalization of the three entities stood at rupees 2,34,352 crores as on 31st March 2019 compared to just rupees 24,542 crores as on 31st March 2007 or erstwhile Bajaj Auto Limited, and increasing to almost 10 times in the 12 years. The demerger truly resulted in unlocking of shareholders' value. The combined annualized return of three companies post demerger is 20.7% compared to 9.5% of Sensex of the corresponding period. That's all about BMC of Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.